Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme C3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can enable sound for screen recording on your phone Realme C3. First of all, on your phone, go to the settings here. Now click on additional settings. Click on additional settings. Click on screen recording. And turn on the button against record microphone sound. Now swipe here and click on record screen option. Now stop the recording and open the file from notification. This is the file. So sound is enabled for screen recording in our phone Realme C3. That's all friends.